Yes, sir. What's going on?
You're like kind of glitched out. I got it to crank up.
Well, what's wrong?
Had it in the washer.
Say again, is no what?
Huh? Yeah, it's not working. Kind of glitch. I got it to crank up a little bit.
Who's made this key, you know?
Nah, I don't know.
Just so you can crank it up.
I could probably cut it off, but shoot, it gonna take some time for it to crank back up. Cause it got like a shortage in it.
What's that? Dang. Okay, let me try Nif key mate.
Okay.
Keep this one. That's not original pop.
Yeah.
Şöyle aletlerimizi alalım kardeşim. Ya da şöyle bir tane plastik klip alsam yeter ya. Şunu alsam yeter sanırım. Taktık arkadaşlar. Bak şimdi aleti alıp çalışalım bakalım. Aracımız 2020 Dodge. Dodge. Şöyle. Evet. Tamamız arkadaşlar. You have remote start too, okay?
Okay, I love that. Oh yeah, that way. This way.
Not like your key. We are professional. You understand?
Yeah.
Cut it off. All right. How do you pay?
Apple Pay.
Apple Pay? Do you have Cash App or something?
Cash?
Cash App.
Cash out. Yeah, no, I don't got cash.
Okay.
I don't got my
Send me on Apple Pay. It's okay. It's okay.
Apple Pay? Okay.
Let me check this out. Okay, I got it. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Thank you, man.
Let's try it. My pleasure, man. My pleasure. Yeah, everything is works fine. Yeah. Don't worry, man. This works too. No worries. First. Need a one. Yeah, twice. Yeah. Yes, that's it.
Yes, sir. Alright, I appreciate you, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.